Today we are in Valley Stream, New York. The customer just called, want to change the spring that got broke, and you want to change the opener as well. Here's the springs. I'm taking it down. I'm gonna put the new ones, and I'm gonna put a new opener for him. Here's the new opener. Here we go. We just finished with the putting together the opener. As you see, take it down. See the garage going up and down, no problem.
You know, I drove to me, my dad and my cousin drove to Georgia.
Here we go. It's going up. Beautiful job. Not a problem. Another happy customer. Garage Door Pro, Long Island, 917-436-0006. How do you like the job, sir?
Looking good so far.
What we did for you? Can you explain what we do for you?
We put in a new LiftMaster, half horsepower
Opener.
Fixed the springs, the cables. And now my wife should be able to come in here and clean up all her junk.
Are you happy with the service?
I am very quick, less than an hour. Hardware install, remote.
Thumbs up.